In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coils in this Toyota Camry. Let's get into it. Remove this cover, just grab underneath and just pull upwards. There's a couple grommets holding it on. Just so you can see it a little better, there's 3 coils up front, there's 3 in the back that are a little bit trickier to get to. We'll show you how to replace this one first. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, pull that connector off. Now pull this bolt out, use a 10mm socket. Grab the coil, just give it a wiggle, and it slides right out. Now installing a new coil, you want to put a little dielectric grease on the end of there, just a little bit, and slide that in position. Put the bolt in, and we'll tighten that down. Snug it down. Take the connector, line it up, and lock it down. To do the other front coils, it is fairly easy. They're right there and right there. It's going to be the same procedure. To do the back ones, it's a little bit more involved. You can remove the intake if you choose to. It's just going to take you more time. You don't necessarily have to do that. You can reach around over here and access them from the back side right here. Now I'm going to show you how to do the hardest coil right here. There is a bracket over it, so we have to remove that bracket. I'm going to use a 12mm socket. Take this bolt out right here. There's another bolt that attaches to the back of the intake. You want to use the same 12mm socket. Take that bolt out. That bolt out and take the bracket and slide it out. Now we'll disconnect the connector, the same as the front one. Just push down. That comes right off. Set that aside. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. Grab the coil. Twist it back and forth and pull it out, and it slides right out. Now take the new coil, put a little dielectric grease on the end, and slide it in position same way it came out. And push it down. Get the bolt lined up, and we'll tighten it down. And snug that down. Now take the connector, line it up, and lock it in place. And then you can do the same for the other ones. It's going to be the same procedure. You just have to reach in a little bit further. I recommend doing that before you put this bracket on. It's going to make it a little easier. Then we'll take the bracket, line this up in position. Make sure you have one of the bolts in your hand. Get that one started. And tighten those 2 down. Now take the cover, line it up, and push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.